Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print A4 Excel worksheet. So click on File, and if you have any data, and you want to print as A4, so click on File and Print, and here guys you have to select A4, and here you will see changes, and here guys you can see the preview. Also guys, you can change orientation, so select landscape. Now check it, so it's appear properly. So this way you can change and you can print A4 Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.